welcome at yet another video. Today we're going to take a look at the smart RGB tunable LED bulb from Trust. To be even more precise, it's the Z-LED RGB 9. And in this video I will unbox it and also talk a little bit about it. I bought this lamp after testing the IKEA lamp in combination with the Trust Octopus. For my view on that, please go and watch the previous video. In the meanwhile, I already bought the thread-free hub, but that is for another video. Subscribe to stay updated. Also in a future video I will make a comparison video of Trust, IKEA and the Philips products. I bought this lamp because I like the stuff that I already own from Trust, and now it was the time for me to go out and buy some Zigbee lamps. But first off the boring specs. This lamp has a standard E27 light socket. It is 806 lumens against the IKEA lamp that has 600 lumens. It has a color range of 16 million colors. It is a 9 watt LED lamp and is on within the second. The size of the lamp is also comparable to the traditional lamps you're already used to, and it has 50,000 switching cycles, so 50,000 times on and off. The Trust lamp comes in at 47 euros in the official store, whereas the IKEA lamp was only 35 euros. At the 12 euros difference, will it be better, worse? Yeah, let's find out. Let's unbox it. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Thank you for choosing Trust. Let's find out if this lamp is any good. Here we got the lamp. It looks almost the same as the one from IKEA. Ah, look, a user manual. In the previous video I needed one. After watching this video you don't need to check it anymore. The pairing process is a bit different than I was used to with the rest of the Trust products. For this lamp they made 4 simple steps. First, you need to put the bulb into its socket. Second, download the app. Third, install the app and log in. And of course the 4th step where you will connect it to the control station. So I already got all the things set up, so I only have to connect it to the app. As far as I can see now, it just looks like a regular LED bulb. It almost looks the same as the IKEA one and also as some knockoff brands. This lamp, as said before, is 806 lumens. The IKEA has only 600 and I found out the Philips Hue lamp has only a max of 550. My girlfriend bought a lamp she liked from IKEA and was in search of an RGB bulb to turn it into a mood light. It is a white frosted glass lamp and we will be putting the Trust lamp in it. The last step of setting it all up. Let's open the Trust Smart Home app. Tap it open. We will be putting the lamp in the living room. To add a device, tap on the top right corner on the plus icon. Now we tap on Trust Smart Home. This is a Zigbee lamp, so tap on Zigbee line. For optimal coverage, keep the Zigbee products 1 meter away from electrical products and Bluetooth devices, but also don't place them next to metal objects. When you use it as a ceiling light, you really don't have a problem. But if you use it like us as a mood light, near where we charge our phones, you can maybe run into connection problems. If you place it next to such a device, it can happen that not all commands will reach the lamp. Yeah, tap on next. There are 2 possibilities. You can add several lamps as a group to control them as a group or set them up individually. As you can see, there are even more Zigbee products here in the app than only lights. Leave a comment down below if you want me to review one of those. They recommend to place it as close as possible near the control station, but Zigbee works like a mesh network. You don't really have to put it near close as long as you have ordered the Zigbee devices. Zigbee has like a range of 5 meters, they say, so if you want to have it 10 or 20 meters away, make sure that you have several Zigbee devices between them, and then the command from the control station will carry through those devices to the lamp it needs to go to. So in this way you don't need any repeaters or extra control stations. All the Zigbee devices work as one big mesh network to carry all the signals to where they need to go. Now we have to turn the lamp on and off 5 times. After 2 or 3 blinks the light will be on and we press next in the app. Now the lamp will turn green. This means it's connected to the control station. Let's rename the light to RGB Mood Light. Okay, then tap on next. Now the RGB lamp is all set up and ready for use. So let's control the lamp. First we will press on off. The lamp will now fade off. Pressing on, the lamp will fade back on. With the slider you can control the brightness of the lamp. Tap on the color circle to open the color menu. Within the color menu you get a color picker to choose the color you want, but also a slider to choose between the cold and warm white color. In the top menu you can go to effects. Here we have two effects. We got disco and also the color loop. Within disco you can set the time between 1 and 5 seconds, and at color loop you can set it between 1 and 120 seconds. It's a maximum of 2 minutes. To start an effect you have to press the play icon. While the effect is playing you can alter the duration of a single loop, so between the 1 and 5 seconds for disco. When pressing stop it will just stop the last color it cycled through. When the effect is playing you always have to stop it first to be able to put it back on a solid color. So we will go to color then. As you can see, I try to pick every color I want, but it's not able to go to there. We first have to stop the effect and then we can choose the color. I would have liked to see it stopped on the color I picked and not just continue the effect. For color loop it's exactly the same. Press play and you can alter the duration real time. Also when you stop it you can select the color with which it should restart. In my opinion that's really useless. The colors keep cycling, so only at startup the first time it will start with a different color than red. But yeah, when you turn it on then it quickly goes to a different color and you never see the first color you ever chose. So for now there are only 2 effects, and in my opinion there aren't 60 million colors to choose from. Like the green isn't really green. I saw only the purple, the pink and the red are really vibrant colors, and the other ones, they could be better. So let's select the pink color. When we go one step back and you can see which color we chose, the pink color. When we start an effect and go back you can see the letters FX, so you know there is an effect going on. When we tap on off you can see the lamp just turns off, and when we turn it back on you will see it will continue with the light effect. So my final verdict. Is this lamp really worth its price? I really like the app from Trust. Controlling the light via the app is really easy. Hopefully in the future there will be more effects to choose from, or even third-party apps to control the lighting. The colors I could choose are the same disappointment I have with different bulbs. It's not that all colors look like they should be, and not even all are selectable. In the previous video I tested the RGB bulb from IKEA, and if I have to be honest, I can't see that much difference between the lamps, except maybe for the brightness. In a future video I will unbox the IKEA thread-free hub I just bought and then do a comparisons video between the IKEA and Trust system. But for now, can I recommend this lamp? Well, yes and no. If you already own products, and especially the octopus from Trust, then yeah, for me I would go with the Trust lamp. The colors are almost the same, but the bulb is, just like I said, a bit more bright. If you don't own the control station from Trust, then I would say no, it isn't worth it. The IKEA RGB bulb is cheaper and comes with a remote included, so you don't have to have a control station from the beginning. Also, the control station from IKEA is only around 33 euros, as where Trust comes in at a hefty 100 euros. So, that was my small review. If you have any questions, then please leave them down below in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, then leave feedback down below for me. This was the video for now. I hope to see you back in the next one. Hey, bye.